Iawn te, felly, wyt ti'n barod am dy wers? Dyma'r sgrin gynta.
Pryd nest? When did you?
Yeah. So when did you first do stand-up?
Oh, eistedd lawr, sit down.
Yeah. So be, da ni jyst yn mynd i alw
Eistedd lan?
Comedy neu stand-up. So,
Comedy.
pryd nes di stand-up?
Pryd nes di stand-up comedy?
Neu comedy stand-up.
Comedy stand-up.
Beth ydi first?
Gyntaf.
Gynta, yeah. Pryd nes di stand-up gynta?
Okay.
Yeah, when did you first do stand-up? Nesa, pryd ges di?
Okay. When did you have?
Yeah, neu when did you get? When did you get a taste for comedy? Beth ydi taste?
Blasus iawn.
Blasus
Taste
iawn,
nice.
wrth gwrs, tasty.
Blasus, blas.
Yeah,
okay.
blas.
Ble ges di blas?
So pryd ges ti flas ar comedy?
Flas ar comedy.
Literally.
When was the first taste of comedy?
Yeah, first taste of comedy.
Okay, that's quite that's in-depth Welsh there, that is.
Yeah,
when was the first taste?
Flas ar comedy. Ac wedyn, ble ges ti?
Where did you get?
Yeah.
Where did you get?
So where did you get the idea?
Oh, okay, that's a good one. Ble ges di syniad? Syniad da.
Syniad
good
da.
idea, syniad. Oh,
You learn them as little
in
blocks,
different ways,
don't you? Yeah. Ble ges ti'r syniad ar gyfer y sioe Edinburgh? We'll ask him about his Edinburgh show.
Yeah, definitely.
Rhywbeth i'n neud gyda The Worst Zoo.
Blwyddyn yma o blwyddyn?
Dwi ddim yn siŵr, llynedd dwi'n
Wedi,
meddwl.
yeah.
Sut is the theme here? Sut wyt ti'n...
Thought it was stand.
Oh, stand up.
Boom.
Da iawn.
Bilingual joke.
Right.
That's how you do it. Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Skadoosh.
see. We'll see if you can come up with a better joke nes mlaen, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nawn ni weld. Right. Sut wyt ti?
How are you?
Da iawn.
How are
Neu,
you?
how do you?
How do you?
Something or other.
Okay.
So, how do you think about a topic for stand-up?
Sut wedi feddwl?
Da iawn.
Sut wedi feddwl am topic or dopic?
Yeah. Punk. Punk. It's good, isn't it?
Punk.
So imagine like a punk.
Idea, punk.
Punk. Punk is subject.
Okay. Sut
Sut wyt ti'n meddwl? No mutations,
meddwl.
mae'n iawn.
Sut wedi meddwl punk?
Am bwnc.
Am bwnc comedy?
Comedy.
Okay.
Da iawn. Sut mae'r caffi?
Sut mae caff?
Yeah. How do you do stand-up? Sut mae...
Sut mae wneud stand-up?
Yeah. Okay, and sut oedd?
How was?
Yeah. Sut
Past
mae,
tense,
how
sorry,
is.
yeah.
Sut oedd, how
Maybe it
was.
time. Sut how was
How
y
was.
sioe Edinburgh?
Yeah, exactly. Hapus?
Kind of.
Oh, a hefyd, I forgot to tell you, mae sioe radio gan Tudur, yn does? It's got a radio show. So, how was the radio show?
Sut mae sioe radio?
Perffaith.
Okay.
Mae gen i ffydd yn y
There's all a bit of a jumble up there, but it's there.
Na, mae y gyd yna. Mae y gyd yna.